my channel and thank you so much for watching. I've got another first impressions video for you guys today featuring one of my favorite brands, BeYu Cosmetics. BeYu Cosmetics is a German brand that focuses on cruelty-free makeup, which is fantastic because that means that all of their products are not only super great quality, but they weren't tested on animals. No cute, fluffy, living creatures were harmed while making any of these products, and I think that that's so great to be able to find a brand that not only has fantastic products, but also believes in ethical practices. Now, another awesome thing about BeYu is that all of their products are suitable for sensitive skin. You won't have to worry that there are no harsh or harmful chemicals. They're not strongly scented. It's very safe to use, even for those with sensitive skin. BeYu Cosmetics is actually available on Zalora, on Beauty Manila, and in several beauty bar branches. Don't worry guys, because I'll leave a list down below of where you can get your BeYu products, as well as all of the products I used for this video. They'll all be linked down below. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a full face of BeYu makeup, and I'm going to be focusing specifically on their latest collection, the Be Fabulous collection. Now, the Be Fabulous collection focuses on elevating your makeup game, so it's really you stepping out of your comfort zone, playing around with different colors, different looks, and just feeling super confident and super strong all at the same time. Now, being a girl who loves her neutrals, who loves a natural makeup look, this video is not only going to be a first impressions for me, but it's also going to be a sort of challenge video. It's me stepping out of my neutral comfort zone and trying something new. As you guys can see here, I mean, I really went all out when it came to the color, and I could not be happier. So if you guys want to see my first impressions, plus how to get this purple, glittery, smoky eye, plus bold statement lip, then please keep watching. So the first step to this look is a flawless base, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's that time of the month, so my skin is not looking its best. It's a bit uneven and it's a bit rough around the edges, but you know what? We're gonna make it work. And to even out my face, I'm going to be using the BeYu Nutri Power Foundation in the shade 20. Now, what makes this foundation so special is that it's infused with vitamin C, shea butter, and hyaluronic acid. Not only is it hydrating and moisturizing, but it's also very good for your skin. I've never tried any base products from BeYu, which makes me super excited to try this, and I'm really curious to see what kind of finish it's going to give my skin. One pump on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna spread it all over my face. Then I'm gonna take my makeup sponge and just blend everything in, and we're gonna see how far and how even one pump of this foundation will get us. This foundation smells amazing. It smells very citrusy and very refreshing. I really like the smell. It's not overpowering at all, and so far it's blending out pretty well. So that's basically one pump of the foundation blended all over my face, and as you guys can see, it evened out my skin tone really well, and the coverage is like this semi-matte and glowy finish, which I actually really like. It's not sticky and it's not greasy. It's not super matte, but it does feel like it's already set on my skin, and the shade match is really good. I'm going to add another pump on the back of my hand. This is another hack that I love to do when putting on my makeup, just in case you don't want to have to do another step like concealer. What I like to do is I like to use the foundation, and then I just apply it on the areas that I feel like I need just a little bit more coverage. I'm just gonna set everything with powder and apply a little bit of contour just to sort of bring some dimension back in my face, and then we're gonna try even more products. Okay, so my base is set and I've got a little bit of contour. Now I'm gonna move on to the cheeks, and for that I'm going to use the BeYu Catwalk Powder Blush in the shade 55. It is just the most gorgeous old rose shade, and I think that this will help really give me a more muted, natural flush to my cheeks. This blush is absolutely gorgeous. It's the perfect everyday shade, and it's great as well if you're going for a bolder lip color or like a bold eye look. And I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and we're gonna work on the brows and the eyes. Hello friends, and welcome to a close-up of my face. Before we do our smoky purple eye look, I thought I would do my eyebrows first, and again, I've got another product here that I'm going to be trying for the first time, and it's the BeYu Eyebrow Definer in the shade number 2. Now, what makes this eyebrow pencil so unique, and what makes me extra curious to try it, is that you've got the pencil on one end, and instead of a spoolie on the other, you have an angled brush. Now, I've never come across any eyebrow pencil with an angled brush on the other side, so I'm really curious to see what the formulation is going to be like. Now, I personally love to run a spoolie through my brows before I fill them in. It just helps tame them a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb them with my normal spoolie, and then we're going to fill them in with this eyebrow pencil. it's time to fill them in and I guess blend them with the angled brush. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So I start by filling the front of my brows. Now I'm going to use the angled brush and blend it in. I am so impressed. Never in my wildest dreams did I think an eyebrow pencil with an angled brush would be so useful. Look at that eyebrow. It was really because of this angled brush that I was able to fill in my brows in seconds. Like seriously, that was so quick. And the brow pencil itself is very creamy and very pigmented, so it was really easy to blend out. So now I'm just gonna do the same for the other side. And those are the eyebrows done. Again, very impressed with this eyebrow definer. It helped me fill in my brows super quick. Now that we've got our base and brows done, we're gonna move on to the eyes. Now, like I said, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone for this video and I'm being fabulous. So I'm going to be doing a purple smoky eye, quite similar to the one that the model's wearing in the campaign. So for that, I'm going to be using the BeYu Be Fabulous eyeshadow palette in Feel Confident. There are a bunch of amazingly striking colors. So basing it off of the picture, it looks like the model's got this very purple smoky eye, and then in the center of her lid she's just got this wash of silver. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the pink poison shade and I'm just going to dip my fluffy brush in it, tap off the excess, and just blend it all over my lid. That is so pigmented and easy to blend. Wow. Since we're doing a purple smoky eye, you need just a little bit more dimension for the eye look. So again, just taking the shade Charm and running it through my crease. I'm gonna take the shades Pink Poison again and Charm, and then I'm gonna run both colors on my lash line to just give me a more dramatic smoky look. No one ever looks good putting eyeshadow on their waterline. I make the worst faces. Now I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and make sure both colors are blended in well. Based on the picture, the model's wearing black eyeliner on her waterline. Now personally for me, I don't think it's a very flattering look. It just makes my eyes look smaller. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna take this shade called Hero, and then that's what I'm gonna use to just help smoke out my waterline a bit more. It's not as harsh as a black eyeliner, but it'll still give me that drama and it won't make my eyes look super small. Now time for the fun part. The model's got this gorgeous wash of silver on the center of her lid. So what I'm gonna do, using my ring finger, yep, love using my fingers for eyeshadow, I'm gonna take the shade Flash. It's this gorgeous silver. I'm just gonna run my ring finger through it, and as you can see, I've got a lot of pigment, and I'm just gonna gently tap that all over the center of my lid and then blend it out with my eyeshadow brush. Do you see how pigmented that is? What? With a clean brush, I'm gonna take the shade Rosy Cloud, and I'm just gonna use that to highlight my brow bone. Like I said, the model in the picture is wearing black eyeliner on her waterline. Now that really isn't a very flattering look for me, so what I'm gonna do instead is I'm going to take the BeYu Dip eyeliner. If I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone and if I'm gonna be fabulous, then I'm definitely gonna do a cat eye. Now I've got a little hack for you guys. If you're like me and you're not exactly a makeup expert, but you love a good liquid eyeliner, what I like to do is I like to draw the flicks on first. That way I could sort of get them even, and then from the tip of the flick, I'll just connect it back into my lash line. You guys will see it when I do it. It's kind of hard to explain. It comes with a felt tip. Whenever I do attempt a cat eye, these kinds of liquid liners are the best because I feel like you just have a little bit more control. And then I just connect everything to the lash line. And that's the cat eye done. I'm not gonna attempt to even it out anymore. I think that it looks pretty good already. Since our eye look is very dramatic and very smoky, I wanna sort of make my eyes look just a little bit bigger. Now, normally what people do is they use a white or like a nude eyeliner, but I've actually got something really cool. BeYu soft metallic liners. You've got a gold, a silver, and a rose gold. These ones are sharpenable, which means you will always get a sharp tip whenever you use them. And they're also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about the metallic color transferring all over your lids, under your eyes. Instead of using like a conventional white eyeliner, I'm going to use the silver eyeliner. Love this eyeliner, super creamy, easy to use, and it really did help make my eyes pop even more. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the BeYu Diva Lash Mascara. It says here it's a lengthening mascara that helps with styling and with volume. For somebody who has very Asian eyelashes, I'm hoping that this mascara will help hold a curl. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this mascara definitely made my lashes longer, but when it came to holding the curl, it didn't really do such a good job. I think that if you have naturally curly lashes, then this mascara would be perfect for you. Now to make my eye look even more fun, I've got another item from the Be Fabulous collection. This is the Star Liner. So it's a silver glitter eyeliner, and again, it comes in the same felt tip as the black liner that I used earlier. And what I'm gonna do is, right above where I put my cat flick, I'm sort of gonna trace an outline. Where my concert at? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. If you want to do a really fun eyeliner look, this Star Liner is perfect. Every single product has been so good. Freaking love BeYu so much. Now the last thing for this look is of course lips, and based on the picture, the model's got sort of this ombre bold purple lip color, and it's perfect because part of the Be Fabulous collection are these two BeYu Cashmere liquid lipsticks. These are super moussey and very light on the lips. Like, the formulation is just so perfect and the colors are so striking. And the two colors in the Be Fabulous collection are Pink Seduction and Very Berry. I'm gonna outline my lips first with the darker shade Very Berry, and then fill in my lips with Pink Seduction. Don't worry about your outline not being perfect. Since it's an ombre lip look, it's really just all gonna blend together. Okay, now that I've outlined my lips with Very Berry, we're gonna fill it all in with Pink Seduction, and we're just gonna blend everything together. Wow, that's so purple. And there you guys have it, my full face of BeYu Cosmetics plus a first impressions on their Be Fabulous collection. A couple of standout products for me would have to be the Be Fabulous eyeshadow palettes. I haven't tried the Feel Special palette yet, but I did try the Feel Confident one, and I gotta say, I feel a lot more confident when it comes to my makeup game and when it comes to playing with colors. I think that for its price, you really are getting great quality eyeshadows. They're super pigmented, they're super easy to blend, they're such fun shades, and the color payoff is fantastic. And I also love that it comes with a mirror and that it comes in this tin packaging. I also am super impressed with the metallic waterproof eyeliners. I only tried the silver one, but I gotta say it is so good. I mean, it's super creamy. I didn't have to apply any pressure. It glided on my waterline perfectly, and it did just give me such a pop of color. And it really is waterproof, guys. It's not smudging, it's not transferring to any part around my eyes, which makes me really excited to try the rose gold and the gold shades as well. I was also super impressed with the Star Liquid Liner. For a silver glitter eyeliner, the glitters in this were just so dense. So when you swipe a line on your lids, you really are getting a glitter line. I also was super impressed with the Eyebrow Definer. This is the first time I've ever used an eyebrow pencil with an angled brush on the other end. And I gotta say, I think I'm a convert. I will always have a spoolie around with me because I do have really unruly eyebrows, but this pencil, phenomenal. It's creamy, it's pigmented, it's easy to use, and it's the perfect match for my brows. I didn't even have to use brow mascara because it blended so well. Overall, I think that the collection is absolutely spectacular. And there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And leave me a comment down below of what helps you feel fabulous. I would love to know, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!